Guys, we often get asked, why do I need to supplement? You know, most people don't realize that even if you eat extremely healthy, every human on earth right now needs to take supplements. This is not a question anymore. This is not a theory. This is fact. So one fact I want you to be aware of is in 1940, you know, there was a certain amount of nutrition in a bowl of salad. To get that same amount of nutrition in a bowl of salad in 2022 now, compared to 1940, you would now have to eat 15 to 20 bowls of salad to equal the same amount of nutrients in one bowl of salad in 1940. It's insane. So there's a very big difference between RDA, which is the recommended daily allowance, and optimal nutrients. Okay, so even baking something at 121 degrees denatures almost all the enzymes, and it depletes the nutritional components by 90%. Do we need to supplement? Absolutely. If you want to get optimal amounts of anything, you have to supplement anymore. Our food is different. Our soils are different. Our food changed after World War II. Basically, we're canning things. We're processing foods so they stay on a shelf longer. They are nutrient depleted. So we are an overfed, undernourished society. We all need to supplement. The problem is most supplements on the market are garbage. 99% of what's out there on store shelves, online, I would not feed to my dog. When you understand how these supplements are processed, how they extract them, how they store them, how they process them, how they heat them, they use chemicals, alcohols to extract these nutrients. It's not really a food anymore. So we want things as close to nature as physically possible. And again, we're talking about optimal amounts of nutrients, not RDA amounts, okay? RDA amounts are very simple to get. You know, if you have a terrible diet, you're usually getting the RDA of calcium and some of the basic things. Now, on top of that, where everybody, even if you eat healthy, needs to supplement with whole food-based vitamins and supplements and enzymes, if you're on any medications, which is almost every human walking this earth, I'm talking about antacids, antibiotics, antidepressants, anti-diabetic drugs, anti-inflammatories, analgesics, antihypertensives, cholesterol-lowering drugs, diuretics, female hormones, laxatives, tranquilizers, anticonvulsants, bronchodilators, and synthetic thyroid. These all create even more deficiencies and toxicities and displacements of enzymes, minerals, and vitamins. So it is not a question anymore if we need to supplement. It's what do we need to supplement with? So we can take this very simple, give you very basic whole food supplements that will do a pretty good job, or we can even run tests for this now through micronutrient testing, through blood work, through other labs to see what you're actually deficient in. Let's test, not guess, but we are all deficient, so nobody can really come up to me anymore and justify that they just don't need to eat supplements anymore because they eat a very good diet. It's just not possible in our new world. It's just impossible. Thank you.